This delicious chocolate you love has a long journey behind it. But have you ever wondered how chocolate is really made? From cocoa beans to the chocolate bar in your hands, let's discover the full process. Chocolate doesn't start in a factory. It starts on farms with cocoa farmers. Let's begin at the very first step. Cocoa trees produce large fruits called cocoa pods. When the pods are ripe, farmers carefully harvest them by hand. Inside each pod, fresh cocoa beans are removed. At this stage, cocoa beans are still fresh and not yet chocolate. The next step is fermentation, which develops chocolate's flavor. After harvesting, cocoa beans are fermented for several days. Fermentation reduces bitterness and develops chocolate flavors. Fermentation reduces bitterness and develops chocolate flavors. After fermentation, the beans are dried under the sun. Once dried, the beans are ready for transport to factories. The cocoa beans now begin their journey to chocolate factories. At the factory, cocoa beans are prepared for processing. The beans are roasted to develop their rich chocolate flavor. After roasting, the beans release a strong chocolate aroma. The shells are removed, leaving cocoa nibs. The nibs are ground into a thick paste called cocoa liquor. This cocoa paste is the base of all chocolate products. Cocoa liquor is mixed with sugar and sometimes milk. Industrial mixers blend the ingredients evenly. Conching smooths the chocolate and improves its texture. This process removes rough particles for a silky texture. Tempering controls temperature to give chocolate shine and snap. The chocolate is now ready to be shaped. Liquid chocolate is poured into molds. The molds are vibrated to remove air bubbles. The chocolate is cooled to harden its shape. Once solid, the chocolate is removed from the molds. Each piece is inspected for quality. The chocolate is packaged and prepared for sale. The final chocolate product is ready to be enjoyed. From cocoa farms to chocolate factories, this is how chocolate is made. Every piece of chocolate carries a long journey. If you enjoyed this video, like, subscribe, and discover more amazing processes. Subscribe to Factory Universal Nova to explore how things are made, new factory processes, and surprising videos every week.